How to add photos from gallery on TikTok video. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone and you have to open the app in your phone. Now you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok app and you have to see different options like home, friends, plus mark, inbox and profile. By clicking on this plus mark, you will move to the next page. You can see different options appear. There is the option of the photo, how to add photos on your gallery. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Here you have to click on the upload option. Screen of your appear here and you have to select any of the photos, like I am selecting this photo and click on it. In this way you can add photos from your gallery on TikTok in your video. Thank you so much. By clicking on next and your story, you have to add it, draft or post. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.